The ViewSonic ViewBoard IFP70 series of interactive displays deliver the ultimate in collaboration solutions. Whether your conference room is in need of an interactive whiteboard, video conferencing, or both, ViewBoard interactive displays let you securely connect and collaborate like never before. Available in a variety of screen sizes, there is a ViewBoard to fit any environment. Sleek, slim, and less than an inch thick, these premium displays feature 4K Ultra HD resolution and a bezel-less projected capacitive touchscreen that delivers an ultra-smooth, natural handwriting experience. An optically bonded edge-to-edge tempered glass screen delivers enhanced durability and clarity. 20-point touch allows multiple users to simultaneously write or draw on the display surface using styluses or their fingers, or both at the same time. An integrated Azure IoT sensor hub connects the ViewBoard to the Azure Digital Twins cloud platform. This allows you to measure environmental data, room user habits, and more to increase efficiency and productivity. A Skype for Business certified conference camera and an integrated microphone array delivers stunning resolution, as well as clear speech and sound during video conferences. An included active pen provides multi-level pressure sensitivity for an accurate and natural writing experience. For added convenience, the IFP70 allows users to simply walk into a room, plug in their device, and begin sharing info on the ViewBoard display via the USB Type-C port. In addition to fast data, audio, and video transfer, it also provides quick 60-watt charging and touch pass-through over a single cable. The ViewBoard display also includes My ViewBoard digital whiteboarding software for advanced content sharing capabilities. Convenient features include secure single sign-on to your favorite cloud drives, easy conversion of common office files, QR code sharing, cloud-based portability, and much more. With just a single click, the integrated ViewBoard Cast software allows users to wirelessly stream content from Windows, Mac, iOS, Chrome, and Android devices onto the ViewBoard display. ViewBoard Cast also enables casting across different VLANs so that users can cast from a guest network separate from the main network. Dual 10-watt stereo speakers and a 15-watt subwoofer, combined with amazing 4K Ultra HD resolution, delivers incredible room-filling sound and breathtaking lifelike images for an immersive multimedia experience. To learn more, visit www.viewsonic.com.